Konnichiwa, it's Nami from Just One Cookbook. Welcome back to another episode of Tea Time with Nami. Today I'm going to share 3 recent kitchen tools that I've added to my collection that I really love. First, let's take a look at this kitchen tool. Doesn't it look neat? It's called the Miso Muddler by Cookbook. This special whisk is for measuring and whisking miso to make a quick bowl or pot of miso soup. They are all made in Niigata Prefecture in Japan. One side of the whisk can scoop up 1 tablespoon of miso, which is perfect for 1 serving of miso soup. The other side measures 2 tablespoons of miso, so you can measure multiple times based on the liquid you have in the pot. This handy whisk can be used to mix eggs, dressings, and so much more. And check this out! This small gadget barely takes up any space. In fact, it's smaller than the miso strainer I have in the drawer. This is not a sponsored video, but Cookbook, the company, has kindly agreed to give us 10 miso muddlers to Just One Cookbook readers, so keep an eye on the blog for the giveaway alert. Next items are the Uncom containers. They are containers with a built-in airlock feature. I learned about this product as this company sent me these to try out. Again, this is not a sponsored video, but after I tried using this product, and I found these containers really useful if you live in places with high humidity. Well, not so much in California, but maybe other parts of the US and the rest of the world. Unlike typical airtight containers where there is some air left in the container, Uncom containers can be vacuumed without additional equipment. With just a few twists of the lid, your food is completely sealed for the freshness. How easy is that? I'm asking the company to sponsor a giveaway on the blog, so stay tuned for that as well. Last item is called kamado-san. It's a Japanese earthenware pot specifically made to cook rice. And oh my gosh guys, once you eat the fluffy and shiny steamed rice cooked in kamado-san, you won't go back to your favorite rice cooker. And trust me, my family noticed the difference when I switched to the pot, and they beg me to cook rice in kamado-san all the time. It's very straightforward and really easy to cook rice in this pot, but there's one drawback. You have to turn off the heat after about 15 minutes of cooking, so you have to stick around in the kitchen. But seeing my family get excited about how delicious this steamed rice cooked in kamado-san, it's totally worth it. I've tested the flavor and texture of the rice by comparing the results from my favorite rice cooker and kamado-san, and I have to say kamado-san is 100 times better. It's a bit expensive, but consider this as a family treasure. I think my kids will be happy to take this over. If you are interested, I put the link in the description box below. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. If you love Japanese food, follow along on Facebook and Instagram at Just One Cookbook. Subscribe if you haven't already and make sure to click the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you soon in my next video. またね!